So very good morning, all of the students over there. Uh, Last day I have gone through voice change and given you some homework also on that. I have seen some reply from there. Okay, you have asked me some question regarding past perfect tense. Quite naturally, I got to know that this should be a very common question, and we have all and the question has arisen. Okay, past perfect tense. If you want to ask me the question, I would like to tell you past perfect tense is a tense where there are two incidents. Okay, ফার্স্ট ইনসিডেন্ট অ্যান্ড সেকেন্ড ইনসিডেন্ট, দুটো ইনসিডেন্ট হবে, প্রথম আর দ্বিতীয়। যদি প্রথম ঘটনাটা হয় দেখব, যদি যেমন দ্য পেশেন্ট ডায়েড, রোগীটি মারা গেছিলো ডাক্তার আসার আগে, তার মানে রোগীটি মারা গেছিলো, দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ইনসিডেন্ট। সো দ্য পেশেন্ট ডায়েড শুড বি পেশেন্ট হ্যাড ডায়েড বিফোর দ্য ডক্টর কেম। অ্যান্ড দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়াজ, অনেকেই প্রশ্নটা জিজ্ঞাসা করেছে যে দুটো ইনসিডেন্ট হলে কোনটাকে কোন টেন্সে নিয়ে যাবো। ইট ইজ ভেরি ক্লিয়ার, মাইন্ড ইট. And of course, the first incident should be in past perfect tense, that is subject plus had plus main verb 3. And the second incident should be in subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. এরপরে যে কোয়েশ্চেনটা এসছে সেটা হচ্ছে কখন আফটার করলে আমরা কী করব। দ্যাট ইজ এ গুড কোয়েশ্চেন। আফটারটা নিয়ে কনফিউশন হওয়াটাই স্বাভাবিক, ইট ইজ কোয়াইট ন্যাচারাল। ওকে, ইন দ্য কেস অফ আফটার জাস্ট চেঞ্জ দ্য সেন্টেন্স। ওকে, সাপোজ রুগীটি মারা গিয়েছিল রুগীটি মারা গিয়েছিল ডাক্তার আসার পরে, তাহলে রুগীটি মারা গিয়েছিল ডাক্তার আসার পর, ডাক্তার আগে এসেছিল, তাহলে পরে ঘটনা দ্য পেশেন্ট ডায়েড আফটার দ্য ডক্টর হ্যাড কাম। ওয়েন ইউ আর ইউজিং বিফোর, মাইন্ড ইট, হ্যাডটা প্রথমে থাকবে, পরে মেন ভার্ব টু হয়ে যাবে। ওয়েন ইউ আর ইউজিং মেন ভার্ব টু, এই আফটার মেন ভার্ব টুটা আগে চলে আসবে, হ্যাডটা পরে চলে আসবে, ব্যাস। জাস্ট ডু ইট, ভেরি ইজি. I'm going to give you some example regarding that. Okay, let me explain you very much clearly past perfect tense. মনে রাখতে হবে there are two sentences. Okay, number one is past perfect tense because the work had been done earlier, and the second was past indefinite tense because subject plus main verb 2, the work had been done just after the first incident. So the formation is first incident, subject plus had plus main verb 2 main verb 3 plus object plus rest. And in the regarding second incident, subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. So this is very common question. No, I'm not at all astonished to being asked some questions. It is very true. But one thing I'd like to tell you that not the case that you are facing problem in past perfect tense. Hopefully you will be facing in problem past perfect tense. I completed past future indefinite, that is subject plus shall or will plus be main verb 1 plus object plus 3 object plus rest, subject plus shall or will plus main verb 1 plus object plus rest. But when it comes to the future continuous, you can go through subject plus shall or will plus be plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest, subject plus shall or will plus be plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. I shall be continuing my work when you come. দ্যাট মিন্স আমি আমার কাজটা করতে থাকবো যখন তুমি আসবে। দ্যাট ইজ ফিউচার পারফেক্ট টেন্স কন্টিনিউয়াস, রাইট? ওয়েন ইট কামস টু দ্য ফিউচার পারফেক্ট টেন্স, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস শ্যাল or will plus have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest, subject plus shall or will plus have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. When it comes to the past future perfect tense, subject plus shall or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. When it comes to the future perfect continuous, well, let me give you some example. I shall have completed my work before 3 p.m. मैंने 3 आगे मैं काज शेष कर दूँ, 3 बजे के पहले मैं अपना काम कर चुका होऊंगा. Okay, I shall have completed my task, I shall have completed my work, I shall have gone there, we shall have finished our work, we shall have made the person. Okay, the boy will have completed his century, Sachin might have hit the six before we take an entry into the stadium. So these are the example of the future perfect tense. When he comes to the future perfect continuous, there should be the example we shall have been playing. That is subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Mind it, subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. This is very clear. Go through the example as I have said. Go through the video very much clearly. I have already mentioned everything point by point. Okay, tense are there: present tense, past tense, future tense. I have discussed present tense 4 parts. I've discussed past tense 4 parts and the future tense, of course, the 4 parts. Okay, but there are some questions regarding all you have asked me that past future tense. I have already told you there is no such tense called future. Okay, so let me gonna give you. Let me take take another classes when I'm gonna discuss about it. But before that, let me conclude it saying that tense is very important part. You have to memorize each and every point. Okay, next class I'm gonna give you voice changes example, and the other class I'm gonna give you some examples on narrations. Okay, so let me go through again. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense is having 4 parts as well as past tense and of course the future tense. Okay, today I have discussed you future tense, and the questions regarding you past perfect tense I have already, hopefully I have completed or I have made you understand about that. Future perfect tense, future continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These are the 4 tenses you need to concentrate for these days. Okay, and in the next day I am going to start with the voice changes example, again more examples. Okay, I am going to upload that. You have to concentrate, that you have to memorize all the examples, all the tenses formation, so that I can continue with the voice changes formation, and it will be very much understandable for you. Okay, take care. Hopefully you will read a lot, enjoy it. We are meeting soon, and with lot of ample of examples will be there. We are going to practice a huge. Thank you. Goodbye.